Did you know you can double tap back of your iPhone and it will do something? In my case, I am turning on my flashlight. Let me show you how I did this. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your setting app and scroll down to accessibility and find here touch setting. Scroll down to bottom. You will see back tap. Select this option. Now you have two options, double tap and triple tap. Each one do a different action. So I'm selecting double tap, for example, and you have here lots of action where you can lock your screen, mute your phone, you can open notification center or take a screenshot, anything you want to do. In my case, I select torch option and it is done. And now see, when I double tap back of my iPhone, my flashlight is turning on and turning off. It is really amazing trick. You can also try yourself. Meet you soon with another tips and tricks. So let's subscribe the channel and like the video and take care.